What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to install Fortnite on the Samsung Galaxy S10. Alright, so if you head over to the Play Store, and I just did this the other day because I wanted to play some Fortnite, it doesn't come up. So when you type in Fortnite, what you're going to get here is Drop Roulette for Fortnite, Dances from Fortnite, they even pull up PUBG, which is hilarious, and then Fandom for Fortnite. So there's actually two ways, to get this on your phone. You can head over to their website to install it, or just go to the Galaxy Store. I recommend just going to the Galaxy Store. As long as you have a Samsung account, you can get in here and install it. So anyways, just type in Fortnite, and then you'll see the Fortnite installer. Just click on it. And then you want to click installer open. I actually don't even have it installed anymore, so I have to reinstall it, but that's basically it. I thought it was kind of weird that they don't have it in the Play Store for whatever reason, but getting it on your phone's really not too complicated. So anyways, if you're trying to install Fortnite and you have an S10, S10 Plus or whatnot, this is going to be the fastest way to do it. If you have any questions, just hit me up below in the comments. I'll get back to you. Please hit that like and share, guys. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see y'all later.